every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And I personally love me some good side dish. I sometimes feel like they're actually harder to figure out than the main dish itself. And so I'm so happy about today's recipe because it's exactly what I'm gonna try. Laura's Buttery Parmesan Orzo. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out, how it looks, and most importantly how it tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 200 grams of orzo pasta, 2.5 cups of chicken stock, 40 grams of freshly grated parmesan, 15 grams of butter, 3 grams of parsley, chopped, and salt and pepper. I'm preheating a medium pot over medium heat, and once the pot is hot, I'm gonna add the butter and melt it. Then, once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add the orzo and cook it while stirring constantly for 3 minutes. Oh my goodness, this smells so tasty. Okay, so now to this, I'm gonna add my chicken stock. I'm gonna bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so now into this. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna add the parmesan, the parsley. I'm gonna season everything with a little bit of salt and pepper. Not too much salt because the chicken stock was a bit salty. This is very salty, so just a teeny tiny bit. Mix everything together, and that's it. Okay, let's give this a bite. I have some thoughts. Oh my god, this is better. I will go back in, can I? I mean, it's my kitchen. I was expecting it not to be that good. Oh my god. This is really good. Before I just resort to just standing and eating. Okay, 15 minutes were definitely too much for my orzo. I think I could have easily stopped at 12 or 13th minute mark because at that point it looked exactly like Laura's. It was really like juicy looking, very buttery, like the stock was still there. Now it totally was absorbed or evaporated, some of it of course, and it kind of looks a little bit dry, but actually you don't feel the dryness. That's very interesting. Now it's very luscious tasting, like so much taste. Oh my god. I for sure thought that it will be too like salty because of the parmigiano. Okay, clearly I love this. This recipe will go into my recipes binder because I'm a collector. I'm a true collector of side dish recipes. I don't know what it is. I have so many main dishes to choose from, and that's great, but I always like to serve them with some side dish and some salad, and that has a limited amount of, like, especially the like side dishes. It just kind of gets boring, I guess, and with what I do, trying new recipes, I mean, I need some new ones. So this definitely will go there. This is really quick. It's very low, like labor intensive. And it will fit anything. Oh my god. I'm very pleased. The only thing, as I mentioned, I would definitely start like eyeing the, you know, doneness at 10-minute mark. Just like start there and don't leave your stove for too long, like I did. I just like kept going for whole 15 minutes. Other than that, this is great. I'm so pleased. This is how Laura's looks like. Now, as you can see, this does look a little bit more dry, but you don't feel that in the taste. And maybe it doesn't look dry to you neither. It's just because I know how Laura's looked like. Maybe that's why. But when you're like eating it, it's like so... It's so nice. Here is her video in the cards there. You can go check it out. If you want the written recipe, it will be in the description box down below, as always, in both American and the metric systems. Okay, this is heavy and hot. As always, because I'm converting every single recipe I try into the metric system, as I use it myself, and I do want to try every single recipe of Laura. So I really hope that this was fun and helpful. If you want any other side dish recipes to choose from, I have a great playlist. Okay, I would like to show to it. Let's say it's there. I'm not really sure where it is on the screen yet. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!